Hello everyone, my name is Mayank Makad. I am studying in Mechanical Engineering 4th sem in LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. So today I have created a project, Automatic Glass Cleaner. The idea of creating this project is come from the process of washing the glass. It is very complicated and very time consuming. So the traditional method of this is very complicated. So we created this project so we can quickly wash the glasses. We have main 5 components in this project: 2 water tanks, 2 brushes, water inlet and a nozzle and base frame. As per our main components, these brushes are rotated and which helps to remove stain and dust. The brushes are rotated and from this tube the water will come in pressure. So we can use water and after that we can rotate the brush so we can clear the stain from the glasses. Now let's see the proper working of this project. In future, we can also upgrade this project in many different ways. As per example, we can use detachable brushes as per our glasses shape. So as an example, this glass is big, so we can add this attachment and we can wash the big glass. So we can different type of attachment as per our glasses size. We have 2 nozzles. From one nozzle, the foam water will come, and from second nozzle, clean water will come. So we can easily wash the glasses. And we can also control the pressure of the water from these 2 outlets. So that's from my side. Thank you so much.